Okay, so once you draw the locus of B dash and locus of B at 65 mm and 20 mm distance. So this is at 20 mm. And this locus of B, it is at 65 mm. Now refer the distance between the end projector. So you have to draw the first end projector passing from A and A dash. So draw the vertical line. So this is the first end projector at distance 65 mm, sorry 70 mm. Draw the second vertical line. So this is 70 mm distance between the end projector. Okay, so now intersection of the second line. So it will give the point B and B dash. So the first point, which is on the locus of B. So this is the point. So this is the actual top view of the point B. And this is actual front view. Okay, so now connect this point A with this actual top view of the point B. And this A dash point with the actual front view. So this is B dash point. And this point is B point. So now we have got the actual front view AB, sorry, A dash B dash and actual top view AB. So from this we have to find out the true length. So first we will find out the plan length and the elevation length. Okay. So we know that plan length is equal to AB. So you can use the compass and draw the arc from point B on the line passing from the A. Okay. So on this line. So take this as a center and radius equal to AB. So you have to draw this arc. So you will get the elevation length. So this is the elevation length. Sorry, plan length. So once you get the plan length, so you will get this point as a point B1. Okay. So this is point B1. Now from the B1, so AB1, it is nothing but the top view when the true length is visible in the front view. So project the line from point B1 on the locus of B dash. Okay. So this point, this intersection, it is nothing but the B1 dash point. Okay. So now connect A dash with the B1 dash. So this is the true length. Okay. So this is true length in the front view, A dash, B1 dash. Now try to find out the plan length. So plan length is equal to the, sorry, elevation length. So elevation length is equal to A dash, B dash. So you can draw the arc by taking A as a center. Radius is equal to A dash, B dash. So draw this arc on the line which is passing from the A dash. So this is your elevation length. And this point, this is the B2 dash. Okay, so now connect this point B2 dash. Sorry, take the projection from B2 dash on the locus of B. Okay, so we will get the B2 point. So draw one vertical line from B2 dash on this locus. And now connect this point. So this is a B2 point. Now connect B2 with the point A. So this is the true length in the top view. Okay, so this A dash B1 dash, this is a true length in the front view, and A B2, it is a true length in the top view. And then you can find out the inclination with the HP and VP and also the true length. So you can check the true length. So this is 143.6. So it is the same length. So you must get true length in the top view equal to true length in the front view. Okay, so it is 143.6. And the true angle, so this is AB2, that is the top view. So this will give the phi angle. So phi is 53 degree with respect to vertical plane. That means when we assume the line parallel to HP and inclined to VP with the true angle, so that true angle is 53 degree. And true angle with the HP, so this is the true angle with the HP. So this is the theta, that is a 20 degree. Okay, and the true length of the line, which is 143.6. So this is the true length. So in this way, you can complete this problem. So try to complete this problem on your drawing paper.